Hello students, today I am going to deal chapter 14 Subjects of Indian Leaders. Subjects are nicknames given to people and places. Many people are given nicknames owing to someone special in their character. So children, today we start the subjects of Indian leaders. Look at the picture, children. He is Jayaprakash Narayan. His nickname is Lok Nayak. L-O-K-N-A-Y-A-K. Lok Nayak. Jawaharlal Nehru. All of you know. Chacha Ji. C-H-A-C-H-A-J-I. Chacha Ji. Lal Bahadur Shastri. His nickname is Man of Peace. Subhash Chandra Bose, known as Netaji. Sarojini Naidu, known as Nightingale of India. Mahatma Gandhi, known as Bapuji. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, known as Lokmanya. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, he is known as Iron Man of India. So children, you learned the spelling from the help box and write it. Complete it. Now children, I am dealing chapter number 15, First Indians. There are many Indians who have made India proud with their achievements. They remain our inspiration to this day. So let us start with the first president of India. His name is Babu Rajendra Prasad. The first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru. The first Indian in space, Rakesh Sharma AC. The first Indian to win the Nobel Prize for Literature, Rabindranath Tagore. The Vice President of India, Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. The first woman Prime Minister of India, Indira Gandhi. The first Indian pilot, J.R.D. Tata. The first woman to climb Mount Everest, Bachendri Pal. The first Indian to receive Nobel Prize in Physics, Sri C.V. Raman. The first Indian woman in space, Kalpana Chawla. The first Indian to win an Oscar for Best Costume Design, Bhanu Athaiya. The first Indian to win the Nobel Peace Prize, Mother Teresa. So children, first you learned the spelling from the help box. Then you complete this chapter 15 and learn it also. Thank you.